All right, so far we've created our keyword match types. We have the names of all our campaigns and ad groups. And now we're going to be making the format of the ad groups so that we can create our text ads. So first, let's name this keywords so that when we're going back in the copy library and if any of the other team members look at this, they can see which tab to go to. Then we go to ad groups. And let's create a campaigns tab as well. So when creating these ad groups, all you have to do is go in here, highlight these, and copy over ad groups. And there won't be any duplicates because these are single keyword ad groups. We just want these broken out so that if you ever need to make any changes, they're clearly seen here. Next, we want to put our campaigns as well so we can look at the budgets and reference back easily. And a very easy way to do this is in the ad library template that I shared. So we go into here, we look at campaigns, and we want to follow this format so that we can easily reference back. So we'll just paste these in here, and we'll go back to our ad groups and grab the actual names. And paste them in here. And depending on the client's budget, we may or may not know up to this step. So we can just put a placeholder value of $10. Daily search. And these will just be manual CPC. And again, this is just a reference, just so you can look back, or if the client ever wants to look at the copy library, they can just see this so we can know what campaigns are running and at what time. All right, great. Now we have the campaigns, the ad groups, and our keywords. In the next lesson, we can talk about actually creating our responsive search ads, our text ads, and our call only ads.